We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in California, and today we're looking at a 2020 Indian Chieftain Limited. This one is in radar blue. This is also one of our rentals, so you can come rent this bike or you can buy this bike. It's got some nice features. It has ABS, has the highway bars, 116 cubic inch engine, locking saddlebags. There's an option for a passenger backrest also. Nice big floorboards. Has the touchscreen navigation and music. Runs on a fob. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides and rental checkouts.